welcome to Om Sai Cooking Classes, and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. Today we have brought a very amazing and healthy snack course, and it's a course of healthy crackers with healthy dips. So in this course I will teach you 12 variety of crackers which are made up of without maida and there is no frying. So let's see what are the variety of crackers you are going to learn in this course. So this is mint chili crackers. In today's class, I have not used any maida or I have not used any yeast. So all these crackers are very healthy. Then I have used so many seeds in this cracker, and this is the best option for snacking. Okay, then this is tangy seed cracker. So I have shown you in this class 3 to 4 types of seed cracker. They are so amazing, so crispy and very nutritious. Then this is ajwain cracker. So we have more than 275 plus online courses which we have designed in such a way that after joining our any online course you can make all the recipe for home purpose also, or even you can start your small business from home. Then this is chili coriander cracker, and the shelf life of all the cracker is near about 3 weeks to 1 month. Then this is tomato oats cracker, and this is best for traveling and even for snacking purpose also. Then this is ragi cracker, and if you are health conscious then we have many more other healthy courses, like we have 5 to 6 courses in millet, like millet ice cream, millet breakfast, millet cakes, so many courses. Then we have healthy soups, salads, then gluten free, diabetic, sugar free, so many courses we have. So this is cheesy cracker. Then this is millet cracker, and these crackers are very easy to make. All the ingredients are easily available at home also, so it just takes near about 10 to 15 minutes to make, and rest of the time it will take for baking. Then this is keto gluten free cracker. In this cracker I have not used any flour, it's just using all the seeds. Then I will show you 4 types of healthy dips also. So let's see who will be the 2 lucky winners for this week. So when you join our any online course, you will get recipe PDF and video for lifetime access. Then you will get the certificate. And if you are having any doubt, you can contact us and solve your all queries. So in this way, you can join our online course anytime, any place and from anywhere. So first lucky winner is Chanda Londe and second is Preeti Patel. So congratulations both lucky winners. You can claim your free online course by contacting on below numbers. So see you next week with a new class, but before that, do like, share, subscribe to our channel.